In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change the colors of Trello cards step by step. If you use Trello to manage projects, tasks, or team workflows, customizing your card colors is a great way to visually organize your board and make important tasks stand out instantly. By the end of this video, you'll know how to apply colors, adjust the cover size, and make your board look cleaner and more professional. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Trello tips. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Trello.com, then log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your boards page. This is where all your Trello boards are displayed. Go ahead and click on the board where the card is located that you want to change the color of. If you have multiple boards, make sure you select the correct one. Now that you're inside your board, find the specific card you want to customize. Click directly on the card. This will open the card details view, where you can edit descriptions, add attachments, set due dates, and customize the appearance. In the card window, look towards the top right corner. You'll see several options. Click on the button labeled Cover. This is the feature that allows you to add a color or image to your Trello card, making it more visually distinctive. Once you click on Cover, a panel will open showing different background options. Under the Colors section, you'll see a variety of preset color choices. Simply click on any color you like. As soon as you click it, Trello will instantly apply that color to your card as a cover preview. You can try different colors to see which one fits your workflow best. Many people use specific colors for different task types, priorities, or project categories. After choosing your preferred color, the next step is to pick the cover size. You'll typically see two size options. One option displays the color as a full cover across the top of the card, and the other option shows a smaller color bar. Click between the size options to preview how each one looks. Choose the one that best matches your visual style and how prominently you want the card to stand out on your board. Once you're happy with the color and the cover size, you can close the card. To do this, simply click the X in the top right corner of the card window. This will take you back to your main board view. Now take a look at your card on the board. You'll see the new color applied instantly. The card will now stand out based on the color and size you selected. This makes it much easier to scan your board quickly and identify tasks by category, urgency, or status. And that's how you change the colors of Trello cards. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a huge difference in how organized and visually clear your projects look. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Trello tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.